Hey friends, if you encounter PNP detected fatal error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable or remove newly installed hardware. Now I'll explain to you the reason for that. Many hardware products like printers, scanners, camera push their own drivers to the system, and these drivers interfere with the existing drivers of the system, thus causing the said problem. So try removing them to isolate the cause. The next solution will be to run a checklist scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter to invoke the checklist scan. Now press Y and hit to enter once again. The next solution is to update device drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates and then install the optional updates. And finally perform system restore on your computer. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, select a go to restore point, click on next, click on finish and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.